Today we're installing a kitchen sink in a rebuilt counter. We already have the sink secured with the braces. What I want to do is to actually install the sink supply lines onto the faucet valves. You just want to loosen this one that we have on here because at a later time we're going to replace the valve itself when we turn off the water. So take that one off, and you're going to have to take this one off. Take that one off. I have a rag to catch the dripping water in case you don't have time to replace the faucet valve. Get the other one threaded on. You might twist the hose a little bit, and then you tighten it down, and you turn it until it's about 3/4 of the way past when you can't turn it with your fingers anymore. Unless it's a high pressure one, then you're going to have to continuously turn it with the wrench. So you just do it until it's tight, more or less. And that's how you would connect the supply lines for a kitchen remodel.